direction, you have to be 6 years old or older, accompanied by a parent beside you while you're riding, of course with a helmet, and under the age of 17. There it goes. Figured out which one's going to be the winner out of this, huh? Whoa. Wow, alright. So I got a good lawnmower. Good. Always nice to know. They're only going to last for a long time. Great. Love it. Alright. And I watch the big old tractor take it back. Oh, that was cool. All right.
Nathan Hegel, 125 feet, 2 inches. Richie Potter's out, followed by Ice Wayne.
Wow.
And again, Lisa Holmes again from Stock Class. First place, Jesse Hayes. Second, Rowena.
Oh, see, they just added more weights, so they get to compete again in different classes just by adding more weights on it. So that's pretty good. It's a whole group of them still going to compete. A lot of these are repeats, but they've added more weights. I mean, look at that little girl and all the weights they've put on in the back. All right. Look at all these parents, proud parents. Come on, girl, you can do it. Come on, my boy, let's go. supposed to have it better together than the kids do. Come on. Stay tuned for my next video, because I think the men need a little repair time. Bye-bye now.